The program that we manage is called Plant Science. We teach programs in material matter and horticulture, and then turfgrass management.
Agriculture here is really a big part of the Coachella Valley. We make some great money here too, so don't be shy about it.
The hands-on experience, being able to use equipment that I'm not normally around, introducing me to many different types of plants and where they come from.
We teach students that want to learn or improve their skills to get better paying jobs in the fields of turf management, like in golf courses, greenhouse management, landscape design, landscape maintenance. Our students will get jobs in the field.
My plans once I get my certificate would be start my own landscape business.
It's an exciting program to be a part of. You'll learn a lot of stuff.